Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to a new unclogging video on Hellhole channel. So this is the complaint side today where we have been found that the chalk is fully drawn in sewage. Now today we are going to unclog the sewer line so that this passage could be clear. Staff is removing the manhole covers to find out which span is blocked so we could unclog the sewer line and that span. This manhole cover was stuck, so staff is trying to remove it with the help of hammer. So cover has been removed and the desilting of this manhole has been started. This is the next manhole. We will desilt all the manholes and try to unclog this span. The sewer line is flowing towards this point. This is the first manhole from where the desilting has been.
ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਨੇਵਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਈ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ।
ਗਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਨਾਲ
Silting and removing the waste of the first manhole is completed. Now staff move to next manhole and the desilting of this manhole is also. You are seeing the sewage level in the manhole is almost full. It's about 1 feet down from the street level. The reason is
ਖਿੱਚਣੀ ਹੈ।
the sewer line is working overflow, and the sewer pipes of this sewer line is not attached with the bed level. So that is why this street remain full, and the sewage level in the manholes never get empty, and only 1 feet, around 1 feet from the street level, it remains.
YouTube ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਚੰਗੜ ਚਾੜਿਆ ਕਰੋ ਸਰ
ਨਾ ਬੋਲ ਕੇ ਆ ਜੀ ਸਾਡਾ ਚੰਗੜੇ ਖੁਰਪਾ ਮਾਰਨ ਦੇ ਆ ਚੰਗੜੇ ਦੇ ਕਾਗਜ਼ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ
ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਜਵਾਬ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ
ਕੂੜੇ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਕੱਢ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਘੁੱਟ ਕੇ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਸਵੇਰੇ
ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਤਨਖਾਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਮਿਲਣ ਡਈ 3 ਮਹੀਨਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਮਿਲ ਗਈਆਂ ਤਨਖਾਹਾਂ
ਇੱਕ ਆ ਗਈ ਇੱਕ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਡਾ ਪਿਓ ਕਢਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੀ ਆ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖਰਚ ਲੈ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ
ਕਿੰਨੇ 5-6 ਬੰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਸਾਥੀ ਬੰਦੇ ਆਪਣੇ
This is a span and the manhole which is blocked. Now staff is removing the cover of that manhole and we will apply jetter machine to unclog this span.
ਪਿੱਛੇ ਹੋ ਫੇਰ ਅੱਗੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਹੋ ਯਾਰ
ਅੰਦਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਇਹਦਾ ਲੋਡ ਪਵਾ ਕੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਛੱਡਦੇ ਆ
ਪਹਿਲੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਤੋਂ ਲਾਣਾ ਸੀ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਤੋਂ ਲਾਣਾ ਸੀ ਲਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਲਿਆ ਫੇਰ ਟੋਰੀ ਕਾ
Machine is working.
ਫੇਰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਬਾਅਦ 'ਚ ਫੇਰ ਲਾਉਣਾ ਪੈਣਾ
There is
ਗਾ
a level difference between two spans, so they will try to remove that level difference. So the overflow and the accumulated portion of sewage could be cleared and the span could be unclogged.
ਉਹ ਦੇਖੀ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ
Previous span has been got functional. That is due to which the overflow has been started in this manhole. Now staff is applying jetter towards next span to unclog the next span.
ਆ ਗਿਆ
This span also got functional and the sewage level is now reducing. This is the point which was flooded. Now this portion has been cleared. Now there is no more overflow and the passage got cleared. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.